Once you've downloaded the correct Liquid UI SDK according to your SAP GUI version, double-click on the Liquid UI SDK file or right-click and then select Run as Administrator. Select Install for me only recommended. Select your preferred language and click OK. Accept the license agreement to continue the installation process. You will then be asked where you'd like to install the Liquid UI SDK. Choose the folder of your choice and click Next. Select the following options for the smoothest experience. Now it's ready to install. Click Install. Once the file is installed, click Finish. Now you are ready to customize your SAP GUI. In this tour, we will demonstrate Liquid UI Designer's capability to customize SAP Dimpros without modifying the underlying ABAP code. For this tutorial, we will be using transaction MM01. Let's delete a field. Even though this beginning screen of MM01 only has a few fields, in a more complex transaction, a screen could have tens of fields. Having too many fields can confuse users and open up room for mistakes. For cases like this, you can easily remove fields like so. Navigate to MM01 in your SAP GUI. Now launch the Designer and the same screen will be reflected. In Designer, delete a field by right-clicking and selecting Delete or by pressing your Delete key. If you click the Script tab, you will see the generated script. Save the changes by clicking the Save icon or by pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Once you go back to SAP GUI, you will see your changes reflected on the screen. Now, let's rename a field. In SAP screens, the field names might not reflect your specific business terms and realities. In these cases, you can easily rename the field tailored to your business. Right-click the field you'd like to rename. Select Properties. In the pop-up window, edit the name and hit Apply. Then click OK. Again, the changes will be reflected in your SAP GUI. Custom launchpads can be created for different user groups, contributing to a more efficient, user-friendly, and personalized way of navigating to necessary transactions. In this example, we will create a launchpad to navigate to the Create Material and Create Order transactions. Log into SAP GUI. We will be editing the SAP Easy Access screen. Launch Liquid UI Designer and delete the image container. Click the Push Buttons icon on the toolbar and place on the Designer screen. This creates a push button. Right-click the push button and select Properties and name it Create Material. Click the ellipsis button to the right. Select the material icon. This will change the text in the field. Click OK. Now hit Apply and OK. To create another button, copy and paste the existing button. We will rename this to Create Sales Order and follow the same steps as before. Click the ellipsis to the side and select the Sales Order icon. This will change the name of the text. Click OK. Now we will assign T-codes to the buttons by using the Command tab in Properties. In the Transaction field, type /n and the corresponding T-code. Group the buttons by using the Group Box icon from the toolbar. To add details, click Properties. Here we are naming the new launchpad. save the script. Open SAP GUI. You will see the custom launchpad on the Easy Access screen. By using the Liquid UI app, you can connect to your SAP GUI on your mobile device. We will walk you through connecting Liquid UI for iOS and Android to your SAP server. On your mobile device, go to the server connection screen and click Add Connection. Fill in the required details and then click Connect to my SAP. Now you are connected to your SAP server on your mobile device. What we've walked through were a few simple changes that could be made easily using Liquid UI Designer, but the capabilities of Designer far exceed these customizations. For example, you can consolidate many screens into one to reduce clicks and improve efficiency, auto-populate fields to reduce errors, and much more. Now, let's take a quick look at the self-guided Liquid UI SDK tour. Run the Liquid UI server. In the Liquid UI workspace, click on the guided tour. Here, you can see sample UI for a few example modules designed with Liquid UI.